Hello dear, the words and welcome to our accounting smart class. My name is Abdul Ghani Fuad, the co-founder, CAO of Masters Academy. Welcome to a new lecture in this distinguished course, Artificial Intelligence in Logistics, Planning, Warehouse Management. Inventory, there is something essential to keep in mind: fruits. They are vital for any good inventory management process, as they are used to control product manufacturing chains' products. Default location, or to help in rental management by generating automated product moves, and stealthy would we use them because they help us streamline processes and save time with routes. I can also add steps like quality control, after-sales services, or supplier returns, which will help us keep track of our product's quality at each stage of there. There are many different ways to use and apply routes, so I'll jump into Stealthy Woods database and have a look at all the different uses. Alright, so here I am on my database. Now the first thing we want to do is be sure we have multi-route setup, so we're gonna go to Inventory Configuration Settings, and on the Settings page, we're going to scroll underneath the Warehouse section. We're going to activate multi-step routes. Alright, so since usually we will use multi-step routes, this also implies that we will use storage locations as well, so this system is automatically going to, once you select multi-step routes, and that's good. We want to save both of them, which I have already done here now. Of course, some companies also need to use several warehouses, so if you do take advantage of using several warehouses, you can activate the multi-warehouse option here from the settings underneath the warehouse section as well. But it's healthy wood. We only need to use one warehouse for now. So let's go ahead and configuration warehouses. And I have my one warehouse, of course. If I'm using multiple warehouses, I will see all of my warehouses here. All right, now I'm gone. Go ahead and click on this and then click on edit so I can change my warehouse name if I would like to. And then below, we're actually going to be able to decide how we would like to receive and deliver goods for this specific warehouse. So I can do that in multiple steps. If I would like to, for example, I can receive the goods and input, and then add them to my stock, or I can receive the goods and input check the quality, then add to my stock. So it depends on your business's needs. At stuff we keep it simple. We and deliver and one step. And of course, you can change this up a bit as well. So if I want to deliver goods in one step, I could still receive goods in 3 steps. So that again, that depends on your business's needs. But let's save this, and now we're actually going to check out the routes that we have for this warehouse. I'm gonna go to this smart button here now. If you do have multiple warehouses,